lahat magkaroon ng trial. General Court Martial o mga ganun ba. O kaya People's Court, whatever we call it, karoon ng trial. Para ano siya, malinis. Guilty kung guilty. 5 out of 5. Guilty. Tapos nun, pagka 4 out of 5, guilty, pero life imprisonment. Yung 5 out of 5, guilty, death penalty. 3 out of 5, guilty pa rin. So yung 3 out of 5, 4 out of 5, guilty, soli mo yung mga ninakaw nyo. Ganon din, kung ikaw, guilty ka, 5 out of 5, boto sa'yo, guilty, death penalty. O, pwedeng yung bumaba, makommute to life imprisonment without bail, without pardon. Para you will serve the rest of your biological life sa isang isla